Is that a fart?
Yeah. Big fart.
Big fart? Great. We're such a redneck family. Good morning, Jake and Brody. We're letting Mom sleep right now.
Mommy.
We're up early. We're doing YouTube.
Mommy.
Mommy's sleeping. Shh. Because Jakey had her up very early the other night. We're watching Sesame Street on our iPads. Can you say Sesame Street?
Elmo Street.
Elmo Street.
See me.
Simi Street. We're letting Mom sleep because Jake kept her up all night, like 2 nights ago. So Mom needs to sleep in. So Daddy's running the show here this morning. It's going to be a busy morning, busy day actually. I have Benzinga interview today at 8:30. Then I'm going to be on Fast Money today at 5:30 in the city. Then the Labor Day weekend starts. This will be fun. We're going to go upstate, go to Saratoga. I'm going to work at the distillery. We're going to the Zach Brown concert on Saturday night. What do you guys want to watch?
Cup. Cup. Yeah.
Do you want to listen to Cup or do you want to watch Cars?
Cup. 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 Cup.
And this is probably like, somebody's going to call some parenting government agency and take my kids away, but they like Toby Keith's Red Solo Cup.
Let's have a party. I love you, Red Solo Cup. I lift you up. Proceed to
That's their favorite song.
Monkey
Such bad parents.
Monkey up. Monkey up. Down.
Oh, you want the monkey?
Down.
Monkey down?
Up. Down.
This is the Thinkorswim monkey. My buddy Cindy Faber at Thinkorswim, she gave me 2 of these monkeys because I have 2 monkeys. Solo Cup.
Shoot. Cup.
If you guys have Sonos, I love my Sonos. Like you control everything through the house.
Cup.
Okay, it's coming. You control everything through your phone.
Cup. Cup. Cup.
Sharpie, when I get to hit on them
to help me get lucky. I love you, Red Solo Cup. I lift you up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, good job counting. Hey. Easy. Mom's sleeping. Nothing like drums at 7:30 in the morning. Why are you up so early? Did it have anything to do with the drums that were being played at 7 in the morning?
Yeah, just a little bit. And the fact that I'm pretty sure my children haven't eaten anything yet.
You guys were so funny in the comments in yesterday's video. Like, it's amazing. Like how supportive and friendly everybody is when you're giving something away. Hello?
Your current credit card account. There are no problems currently with your account. It is urgent that you contact us concerning your eligibility for lowering your interest rate.
How do you get off this list? Like, 1, I haven't had credit card debt since college. 2, I have American Express cards that you don't carry a balance. Like, I hate those Rachel from Cardholder Services phone calls. They're so annoying. Anyway, so like the comments from the video yesterday were a riot. Like you guys are so funny when so nice and so supportive when there's something free on the line. I wish you guys were that supportive all the time. No, just kidding. It was awesome. Love your videos, Todd. Learning so much. Thank you. When I grow up, I want to be just like you, Robert Cruz. Robert, be better than me. Jake Flan, invention, my dear friends, is 93% perspiration, 6% electricity, 4% evaporation, and 2% butterscotch ripple. Willy Wonka. God love you, GW, rock on TG, that's awesome. Craig Johnson, how's the new P90X working out for you, pun intended? If it's not as good as you'd hope, I developed a weight resistance exercise program. Followed correctly, will definitely lose fat, increase your musculature without heavy lifting and free your potential injury. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, been studying experimenting. I appreciate the offer. Vlad Lenev says, congratulations on your new Jeep. Thank you. I'm really enjoying your Tuesday webinars. Thank you. I'm very happy with the XLF trade. Thank you. Vlad, you must be a member because we cut that baby today. So we took profits. Alan says, Elliott Wave and Fib makes so much sense to me. Real life implementation, trading them is slightly more challenging. Totally agreed. But that's why I try to put a lot of trades behind the stuff I do so you can see it working in real time. Kent says, Todd, I don't need one of the 10 golden tickets because I already purchased the course on day one when it came out. It is so far above and outperforms any technical indicator out there that people won't believe if they just use it. The tools you provide. People will wonder how they ever got along without it after they start using it. Glad you make it so easy to understand. Thanks. Kent, you're awesome. Penny, Todd, your vlog is very informative, always entertaining, production values are really impressive. Thank you so much. Yeah, Ashley, my haircut, she's a riot. She is a total pistol. Steve Dittrich says, nice Jeep with the Fib course. Maybe I can buy a Jeep. That's awesome. Pedro Guerrero says, nice car, Todd. Congratulations. You should send samples of your new vodka so we can finish this August boring trading session much happier. That's awesome. If I ever do a big trading analysis party, which probably will happen, I definitely will have this as well as this. TPARS says, Todd, you're a nut. That's why I watch. I try. Todd, I need to get out of working for a retail store like right now. Al, R.I. Get after it. Here's a good one from Michael Todd. But Charlie, don't forget what happened to the man who suddenly got everything he always wanted. What happened? He lived happily ever after. Josephine Gardner, I'm plating up tomato soup tonight, plus want to say I like your dark, shady vids. Thanks. Everybody knows what the filth room is. I had no idea. Ezekiel Perini says, Todd, you are the Casey Neistat of trading vlogs. Keep uploading. Congrats on the new toy from Argentina. Ezekiel, thanks. I love Casey. He is awesome. So good. It's just such a good inspiration. You guys should all watch his vlogs. Zaid L says, I was watching this with my wife and she asked me why I don't work from home like you. I just told her I'd probably not be focused at all. I think it comes down to when you find something you really love, like nothing really gets in the way. Like I used to work on Wall Street and we used to work at Forex.com and it was like the boom era of foreign exchange. Like people, it was like people were making money, like markets were trading really well, the industry was booming. Like we were on 44 Wall and it was like 200 kids between the age of like 22 and 35 in one building. It was like a college dorm. Everyone was working hard, playing hard. It was really fun. But I would be in my office, I mean, door closed, like just focused on doing what I need to do because I knew I was going to launch this business. So like I even blocked that out. So I'm just, if you're focused and you love something, you do it. Like my wife would come in for happy hour and hang out with all my friends at Forex.com. She would know more what was going on than I did. It was really funny. So I would just be kind of blocked out because I knew this is what I want to do. Scott C. Scott from Boston, just chillaxing, eating some lobster and clam chowder. Spent all my money in this food. Throw me a bone and enter me for a Fib contest. Thanks, TG. Scott C. Oh, man. Interesting video. Thomas G. Farrell Jr. I think this is the first time I've heard Oompa Loompa and Fibonacci in the same trading video. I think it was an original. Dale, boy, here's a Dale Elliott. This is nice. Like your stuff. Smooth, exciting, entertaining. Of course, the opportunity to make money is mind-blowing. Oh, Dale's trying to butter me up on that one. There's no way I have this many fans on YouTube. I should give something away for free every day. Let's dive into the S&P. There's a really cool chart I want to show you here on the weekly and the daily. So we're coming up into a potentially disastrous situation here for the S&P. I'm not somebody who's like super alarmist and be like, the market's going to crash, like go to gold, buy rifles, buy vodka. But we got some serious levels that we got to pay attention to. So, all right, this is the weekly in the S&P. So let's dive in here. We're going to do some Fib, and I'm going to show you the power waves and show you what's happening here in the market. So what's happened basically is the market, the S&P from like July 2015 dropped. And it was a pretty good 3-wave move, okay? And what was interesting is that move lasted 29 weeks. Since we put in a bottom in February 2016, we've rallied in another 3-wave move, okay? 1, 2, 3. Now, what's super interesting is the rally back is being studied with this fib right here. 100%, basically, the total time elapsed in this move, which was, again, 29 bars, equates to a September 5th timing date. Okay, so basically what I'm saying here is total time elapsed here is equal to here on September 5th. Further, so the move up that we've seen since February 9th, that was A, okay, and that one lasted 47 days or 47 bars. We then went into a 3-wave correction, ABC down. Guess what? This one was also 47 days. The 100% projection, so basically total distance traveled or time elapsed in A was equal to the time elapsed in B. That was also 47 days. Crazy symmetry. 47 days up, 47 days down. Now, let's just keep going. If your mind isn't blown already, let's just secure it. Another 47 days equates to right here, which is also the week of September 5th. So remember, we had the big decline in 2015, giving us a timing on the way back up. And also within this way back up, we have symmetry of A and C, all pointing to a key week of September 5th. Okay, so that's crazy. Let's go back to the weekly. And not only do we have key timing, but we also have key fib. Okay, there's a whole cluster. There's 4 different Fibonacci levels from the high back here in July 2015. I'm studying all these different waves to come up with a pretty good ceiling of resistance. On top of that, you see these thin and thick red lines? Those are the power waves that I teach in the Fibonacci course. They're basically a proprietary calculation of all these swings in the market to figure out real-time resistance and support. I use them to fortify the fib. Well, they're telling you we have a massive zone of resistance in the S&P from 2186. There's the major at 2200, and then we got fib up at 2230. So we've got price and time coming together in the S&P, heading into non-farm payroll, heading into possible Fed rate hikes. I'm not telling you we're definitely selling off, but from a trader, we can probably, if we can risk 60, 70 S&P points, we should be able to make 110 at least, and then likely 250 S&P points. So I'm very, very much willing, ready, able to sell into this. Using all the fib stuff and the power waves, we're definitely going to keep an eye on this. And then the other market that I want to draw your attention to real quickly, I know this video is dragging on, is gold. Gold has done a nice 3-wave pullback into fib support. You've got the minor power wave, the major power wave on the buy side, the green levels. Plus you got fib. Let's do a little 2v1 timing. Time 2v1. Right at the 1.618. Look at that. Oh, wow. 161% time retracement. So gold's looking good. So when you got the S&P at resistance and gold at support, that's not good. Tomorrow's going to be interesting with non-farm payroll. The support on the comments is awesome. I really appreciate it. And the feedback from the Fib course is cool. So I'm going to do one more video, same situation. If you want to enter to win the 10 golden tickets for Todd Gordon's Crazy Fibonacci Factory, you have to do the following. So here's how you will get enrolled to be in the drawing for the Fib course. Number one, you need to subscribe to my channel. So you hit the subscribe button. You also, in the video, should be able to subscribe. So right here, number one. Number two, you have to hit this like button right here, this thumbs up. And number three, you have to drop a comment in there. Anything. Tell me what you had for lunch, what you'll have for dinner, what you think about the trade, what you think about your favorite movie from Gene Wilder, whatever. That's how you get inside of this contest. So we're gonna run this contest on the next video that I'll work on over Labor Day weekend. You can go ahead and comment again in here in this video. I will take the comments from the prior one, and then the next video I'll do the drawing for the 10 tickets. If you want the course now and you don't want to wait for the drawing, look for the link below. There will be a buy link, okay? So the price of the course is listed. It's going to double once we put it on the website, okay? If you by chance win, I'll go ahead and refund your money. If you win one of the 10 golden tickets, I'll refund the cost. But if you want to go ahead and buy it now. So I hope you guys enjoy it. So remember, put the comments, questions below. Thank you so much for the nice comments. And I hope you guys have an awesome Labor Day weekend in the US. I hope you're going to enjoy the hell out of the last weekend in summer. We're going up to Saratoga. I'm going to bartend. If you're in the area, come by. So we're going to do some tasting tours. Trish and I are going to Zach Brown. My parents are babysitting. So last quiet weekend before I think the summer is over. The market's getting the busy fall winter season and volatility explodes. See you guys.